Good afternoon, student. Today we will teach about the respiration. Respiration, that means श्वसन. What is the respiration? Respiration means, in simple ways, intake of oxygen and withdrawal of carbon dioxide. Now, that oxygen we will intake for what purpose? Definition of respiration: process of breakdown of complex substances into simple ones by releasing energy is called as respiration. Means whatever complex substances that is present within our body that are broken down into simple substances. For what purpose? That complex substances that are broken down into simple one, for releasing energy. Energy which required for, what is energy? Energy means कॅपॅसिटी टू डू वर्क. कोणतंही कार्य करायसाठी, काम करायसाठी आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? ऊर्जा, एनर्जी. नाउ दॅट एनर्जी वी गेटिंग बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, बाय breaking that complex substances into simple one. That is the respiration. Process of breakdown of complex substances into simple ones by releasing energy. Now that energy released during the process of respiration, that energy released in ATP form. Energy released in ATP form, and that are stored within our body. In which organ that energy stored in ATP form? That is the mitochondria, tantukanika. Now, what is ATP? ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Now, as in animals, that respiration or that exchange of gases, intake of oxygen, withdrawal of carbon dioxide, that means exchange of gases occur. As in animals, in plants also, that exchange of gases that takes place through pores present on leaves, that is the stomata. Exchange of gases in plants that takes place through stomata in leaf. Stomata that is present on leaf, and lenticels and bark that is present on stem. On stem, lenticels and bark present for exchange of gases, and in leaf there is a presence of stomata. You know stomata help for transpiration, exchange of gases, exchange of, what is transpiration? Evaporation of water from the plants. Now that respiration that carrying on, going on by two processes, that is inspiration and expiration. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सर्वात सुरुवातीला आपण काय म्हटलं? रेस्पिरेशन म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन घेणे आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साइड सोडणे. दॅट मीन्स intake of oxygen and withdrawal of carbon dioxide. Now intake of oxygen, that is called as inspiration, and withdrawal of carbon dioxide, that is called as expiration. In another way, we can define that respiration as the process of inspiration and expiration is called as respiration. Now that, again, on the basis of cellular respiration, there are two types of respiration. Now inspiration and expiration, that are the two processes of respiration. Now respiration that are of mainly two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now aerobic respiration respiration which takes place in presence of atmospheric oxygen, in presence of oxygen, that is called as aerobic respiration. And that aerobic respiration that occurred or takes place in higher animals like like human beings. In human beings, aerobic respiration takes place. Aerobic respiration means respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen, that is called as aerobic respiration. Now, second type of respiration, that is the anaerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration which takes place in absence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration, and that anaerobic respiration that takes place in microbes, in microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, viruses that respire anaerobically. Anaerobically, that means in absence of oxygen. That anaerobic respiration also called as fermentation. Fermentation, किण्वन प्रक्रिया. Last time we studied the what is fermentation, किण्वन प्रक्रिया. That means production for the production of alcohol. That कुजवणे, that is the fermentation. Now anaerobic respiration that occurred in microbes, microorganisms like lactobacillus that present in cold, दह्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या बॅक्टेरिया, भाजी दही हे आंबल्यानंतर त्यामधून बबल्स दिसते आपल्याला, म्हणजेच रेस्पिरेशन होऊन राहिलं. कोणतं? अनएरोबिक, इन अब्सेन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन. आपण कोणतं करतो? एरोबिक. आपल्याला अनएरोबिक करायला लावलं जमेल नाही. समजा आपल्याला अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करायला लावलं, मुंडी पकडली, पाण्याखाली घेतली, बबल्स वरून दिसेल. ते मायक्रोब्सचे आहे ऍक्च्युअली, कारण मायक्रोब्स अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करतात. पण ह्युमन, आपण हायर ॲनिमल्स असल्यामुळे आपण रेस्पिरेशन कोणतं करतो? एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. Microbes that respired anaerobically, that means anaerobic respiration that carry on with the help of microbes. Understand the definition of aerobic respiration? Respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen, that is called as aerobic respiration in higher animals like human. Anaerobic respiration, respiration which takes place in absence of oxygen, that is called as anaerobic respiration, that is in microbes, सूक्ष्म जीवाणूमधलं. Now during aerobic respiration in higher animals, maximum energy released ATP, 36 ATP molecule, 36 that released during aerobic respiration, and during anaerobic respiration only 2 ATP molecules released, only 2 ATP molecules that are released during anaerobic respiration. That is about the respiration. There are two processes, inspiration and expiration. There are two types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, and definition of respiration. The process of breakdown of complex substances into simple one by releasing energy, that is called as respiration. Next time we will study the respiratory system of human.